Hey, it's Brian with the Midnight Mechanic with your tech tip for today. So one of the things we ran into in the Trans Am with putting our new 402 stroker in it was the fact that the Trans Am came with an LS1 in it, and the new engine we're using is an L77 block out of a Caprice. Now there's one difference, and it has to do with the oil cooler that was on the side of the engine. So the problem I ran into when I went to install this in the block was the fact I didn't have a tool to fit the giant hex on this. So I was going to go buy one. I was talking to one of my buddies, and he said, hey, a little tip, find a bolt that the head fits in there, and you can just stick it in there and either grab a vice grips and tighten it real good, or you can stick another nut on there and tighten it down like it's an actual specific tool for it. So we found this one that fits in there real good, and all we're going to do is we're going to stick it in there, take the wrench and tighten it down as if this is an actual tool that fits in that hole. So on LS2 blocks and L77 and certain other ones, they have an oil cooler that bolts on the side of the block. Well, when we removed it, there's some passages that need to be plugged. This one's already been plugged up by the machine shop, but we need to plug this one. You can see here's the original fitting where the line would just snap into it. Well, we're not using it anymore, so we have no need for that. So I needed to find a plug for that hole, and I looked online and I found ICT Billet made one. It's part number 551282, and it's made specifically for this. So here it is right here, and it'll just screw in and plug up the hole. So we're just going to stick it in the hole there, and then we'll take our wrench and it'll just tighten it down right in the hole until it's tight. So you got another problem solved just by finding stuff you have lying around your shop. Most mechanics will have a bolt bucket, so it shouldn't be hard for you guys to find a bolt that fits that hole that you need. If you have any other questions, things you'd like to learn, post down below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe or follow us on Instagram and Facebook at The Midnight Mech. Follow us on TikTok at The Midnight Mechanic, and we will see you guys next time.